Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Senior Longevity Secrets channel, where we share gentle, effective ways to stay healthy every day. Do you feel your body has become heavier, or that you get out of breath even with light movement? When we were younger, our bodies recovered quickly, but as we age, even a little exertion can leave us tired for days. But don't worry, you can rebuild your stamina. Today I'll guide you through a 20-minute home training routine that gently wakes up your body. No experience needed, you can do this safely right in your living room. Step 1. Warm up. 3 minutes to wake up your body. Always prepare your body before exercise. Instead of deep stretching, gently move your joints and warm up your muscles. How to do it? Slowly turn your neck left and right 5 times each way. Roll your shoulders forward and backward 10 times. Place your hands on your knees and make circular motions to loosen the joints. Finally, shake your wrists and ankles lightly to relax the whole body. Just 3 minutes of warm-up will help your muscles wake up smoothly. Step 2. Upper body vitality, 5 minutes. Your arm and shoulder muscles are key to good blood circulation, especially if you sit for long hours. How to do it? Sit on a chair and raise both arms slowly above your head, then lower them. Open your arms to the side and expand your chest. Rotate your wrists inward and outward alternately. This movement relaxes shoulder joints and improves upper body circulation. If your arms feel heavy, try holding a half-filled 500 ml water bottle. Even light resistance helps your muscles wake up faster. Step 3. Lower body strength, 7 minutes. Your legs are your body's pillars. Strong legs make daily life easier and reduce fatigue. How to do it? Stand behind a chair and hold the backrest. Slowly lift one leg backward. Keep your core slightly tight so your back doesn't arch. Switch legs and repeat 10 times each. Next, sit and stand from the chair 10 times. If possible, do light marching in place for 1 minute. This boosts blood flow and strengthens your thighs and glutes. With consistency, climbing stairs will become much easier. Step 4. Cool down stretch 5 minutes. Don't sit down right after exercise. Finishing stretches reduce muscle soreness and prevent stiffness the next day. How to do it? Interlock your fingers, raise your arms overhead, and slowly lean to each side to stretch your torso. Extend your arms forward and gently round your back to relax your spine. Stretch your legs out and pull your toes toward your body to stretch your calves. Breathe slowly and deeply. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. After just 5 minutes, your body feels lighter and your mind calmer. Summary. Let's recap today's 20-minute routine. 1. Warm up, 3 min loosen up the body. 2. Upper body, 5 min activate shoulders and arms. 3. Lower body, 7 min strengthen leg muscles. 4. Cool down, 5 min relax the muscles. That's just 20 minutes a day, morning or evening. You'll soon feel your fatigue fading and your stamina returning. The Senior Longevity Secrets channel supports your small but powerful steps toward better health. Stay well and have a wonderful day.